so, and then you know you have money right there and some style.
Kamforreall.
Guys, we know what's predicament. So it's New Year's Eve. Obviously, I'm in Jamaica. Turns out my luggage, they're still with American Airlines. That's number one. I was like, alright, cool. Second thing, my brother decided to, we won't say what he did because we're not sure, we don't know for sure. But he pretty much sprained his foot. And we're... You need to do it?
You need to cut the speed a little.
Maybe I got 70 kilometers per hour. Yes, you think I go too fast?
My foot matter. It's really bad. Like I want my foot to look so well.
As in?
No, it don't look lotionish.
Oh.
You have to cut it out. You can't put that part in the vlog.
Edit in the black and white.
Yes, you have to edit that part out.
So you were saying about your luggage?
Yes, so it's still with American Airlines. I'm supposed to call them to know if it arrived today because it was supposed to be on this flight. What? Where you going from?
There's a ditch.
Up there, sir, right?
No,
Just past.
my telephone last night said then they move a ditch.
On the ditch is out there?
No, them like when if I smooth them smooth it out. But because the caution sign is them, I show a caution sign. So if you take,
What caution sign?
it's a yellow sign that has a big asterisk on it.
It's not. That is not a caution sign. It looks like an exclamation sign.
It is an exclamation sign.
No, it tells you that there's a ditch.
That's a ditch sign.
Yes, it is.
The last time we were on camera, people say, "Oh, we love argument. Can we just live in peace and unity?"
No, I'm not arguing. That's our reason.
Can't bother.
That's our reason.
No, but
Watch out.
It's far
where is
away.
this man going? You have to go down in the ditch.
Me nah make you run me off a road, mommy.
That's exactly what he did.
You know what? Me I take my own time and drive. Guys, by the way, first time I drive in Jamaica and it's night time. Whoa, I'm nervous.
Well, if you're so nervous, give them.
Actually, I'm not. You think me nervous? Me I drive like me nervous?
And that you just said that.
No, I'm asking you now.
Actually, no. Yeah, go on with yourself.
Oh no, make me a ring. That.
And wearing his whatever.
Mommy, you can't take over it. Supermarket now trying to buy, it's Christmas Eve, trying to buy things for Christmas Day with the gang. I drove for the first time, and the first time I parked with a reverse camera. A little bit chaotic, but we did it. Why do we look so rough? Oh, by the way, guys, so I'm giving an update. What happened was, so I arrived in Jamaica yesterday, and then my luggages were left in Miami. So I went and I spoke to the supervisor from before because I realized that there was something wrong because I didn't see my luggage at the baggage claim. Anyways, fast forward. She told me yes, it's gonna come to Jamaica. I end up in Jamaica, no luggage, nothing is going on. So here I am, I'm in my mother's clothes. I have nothing, but we have vibes. A red label. Guys, we're what? For cake.
This is Jamaican Irish must be
Guys, look what I'm wearing. My brother's shoes. What are those?
Yeah, but this is how I do know. 2,000. I'm buy this.
She's back.
I don't know where you get that from.
Alright, you can stop now. Come, give me. Get one. Alright, give me.
In case they miss a judge or whatever.
Why we do that?
Because
Yeah, you're in one situation, shit. Yeah, I mean, I tell the family. When it rains, it pours. Guys, this too much. Like, this too much. The box burst out, and no, I can't make this up even if I tried. We just need to go home and start again tomorrow because no, sir, it's too much ago.
We're continuing with the news. Americans have come to the aid of a family down on its luck this festive season. The beneficiaries
Guys to go!
Watch them, man. Watch me sick me.
Never flop here.
Wow.
Never. I wish I from the noble.
Okay, bye. Oh, whoa. Hold up. Let me get us correct over here. Good morning. It's Christmas Day. And I'm looking at the wrong camera because I got this new camera. Let me know if you can tell the different quality. I had a little issue yesterday when I was vlogging because of the sound, but I did a little something. So I just got a call from the people at American Airlines on the Africa down. American Airlines count on the days, but they're delivering my package. Not my package, they're delivering my luggages today. It was supposed to be 1 hour ago, but here we are. Welcome to Jamrock. So yeah, that is what we're doing. And I am being the entertainer while everybody else cooks. Listen, we all have different duties. Some people cook.
Duty is what's yours.
My duty is to entertain you guys and then wash the plate afterwards.
Okay.
Oh wow, not y'all see my wig cap? Wait. I wanted to do a little, you know, fix my hair and stuff, but a few things in the luggage, so it's gonna be a whole situation when I get myself together. Just wait on it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your Christmas with your family or your friends or however you are spending this festive season. Hope it brings you joy, happiness, and a whole lot of good food and blessings. So yeah. Let me show my passport and stuff. Hold on.
Shall I show the passport, correct?
Yeah.
Shall I show the passport? Alright, let me do. That passport should I look for? That's what they're done with.
Hold on. Well, we're gonna shop already before we come here.
I thought that was yours. That good. Bossy, want you to do me a favor here?
Cheers.
I'm up on the vlog right so. Some just want to say come for real. I'm up on the vlog so.
Yeah.
Some just want to give a thumbs up and say come for real.
Kamforreall.
Oh
One
my
again.
god.
Kamforreall.
Oh my gosh.
Alright,
Thank
my
you
boss.
so much. Good afternoon, my people. I am back, and as you can tell, so is my suitcase. Ooh, yeah, whitey. Whitey. So we're heading off now to on the streets. Honestly, we just wanted to drive out. We don't know where we're going. But it's Sunday, not Sunday. We keep on saying it's Sunday. It's Christmas, and we're just, you know, having a little jolly time. Wherever it takes us, it takes us. Say hello.
Hi, Kamforreall. We're having a little vibe in here.
Yes, tell them.
So I'm going to deliver my gift to my godson.
Wow.
Hope he loves it.
Yes, I think it was super cool.
Okay.
Super cool little gift. Driver, anything from your side? Alright, it's enough. Let's show you some roads on the this is a rural part of Clarendon where I'm from. And I suppose I know this by now, nothing new. And if you're new, welcome to the vlogs. Welcome to Kamforreall. By the way, I've gotten a few subscribers since my hiatus. So welcome to the fam. Welcome to the Vibes crew. And yeah, so now I'm in Jamaica.
We're now at 90.
Kirsten just take time and drive on the road before mommy rain. So I am now in Jamaica, obviously. The last vlog that you saw, I was also in Jamaica. But since that period, I left Jamaica. I went back to UAE. Then I moved to Saudi. Now I'm back in Jamaica. So it's a whole other thing. I think I need to do
The movements there.
a lot of the movements, but just try and keep up, guys, because I mean, I think working and vlogging turned out to be harder than I had expected, because now I work longer hours. It wasn't like before when I was working in UAE. I had like set shifts, so now it's a little bit more complicated, but I'm trying to make it work somewhat. While I'm on vacation, it's easier because obviously I have full control of my time, but then, you know, when you start working again, it's just a little complicated. Are the police this? No.
The forest.
Forest, me know. Them a burn up forest?
No.
Oh.
The name of you.
Oh.
Maybe it's the name of the person.
It's the name of the
Okay. Yeah, so anyways, that's a quick update about what's happening, or what was happening in my life. So I think it's been around 6 months, half a year or such. But I still love vlogging, still love, you know, being on YouTube. I think it's very fun.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
The vibe doesn't seem as right.
So anyways, I take that as my cue to go, guys. Bye bye. people, that's a wrap.
And that's a wrap.
We went to the Christmas tree, just a little excitement. We went to the community Christmas tree to just grab a few snaps. I'll post them like. But yeah, that's it. It's Christmas Day with my family. God is great.